Hey, this is David, and I am about to demonstrate my first Sinatra app called Movie Tracker. I had to build an MVC Sinatra application that uses active record with multiple models that has many relationship on a user and it belongs to relationship on another model with user accounts, able to sign in, sign out. Uh, they had to have CRUD capabilities. Uh, they could only manipulate their own data. You can't manipulate data by other users. And there was a bonus to include error messaging if we were able to do that. Okay. All right, so here it is. This is the welcome page to Movie Tracker with background that I added. That was bonus, wasn't a requirement. I wanted a different image other than the generic background that came with the corneal gem, which I used to build this app with. I guess I'll start by logging in since I already have some users created. All right, so here's a login screen with the form. I'll log in as this user. All right, so here are the movies for this user, which happens to be me, with a list of the movies that I've entered, with links to log out or to create a new movie. Let's see. Let's look at Avengers Infinity War. Each movie is listed as a link that you can click on. So if you want to edit, you can do that. All right, so here's the edit page for this particular movie. I entered it as a superhero movie rated PG-13. I added my own rating as loved, but it shows up as hearts in the drop down. So here's an edit link if I want to edit. I can go back to my movies list and I can also delete the movie. Okay. Let me pull up a different user. Let's see. Pull up a different user's list of movies. Okay. So actually, this movie belongs to a different user. So it says an action without a rating. The user rated it as garbage. And so if I try to edit this movie that does not belong to me, it's going to give me a flash error message that I'm not authorized. And then it takes me back to my own movie list. So let me go back to that user. And if I try to delete that user's movie, the same thing will happen, but it'll give me a message that I'm not authorized to delete this user's movie. Okay. All right, so I will log myself out. All right. I will add a new user. Let's see. Eddie Murphy. Okay. So it should welcome me and show my movies page, but this user is new, so he won't have any movies. All right, so let's create a movie. Let's see. Boomerang, I rate as a thriller. Let's see. What rating was that movie? What was the rating? Normally I'm able to pull it up like this. Okay, tell you what, I'll just make up a rating. I'll assume it's R. I'll leave it as loved, and I'll submit. So now Eddie should have a movie. Eddie has a movie, Boomerang. Let's click on it. Okay. Let's edit this movie first. Okay. Let's change the rating to let's change it to unrated, and I'll change my rating to meh. Submit that, and now we should see the changes. By the way, I use drop-down boxes for editing and creating to limit the user's input, so they couldn't just put anything they wanted in. and mess up my app. Okay, so the changes are there that I just made. Let's delete this movie. So now it takes me back to my show page, and now I don't have any movies as Eddie Murphy. Okay, let's log out. When you log out, you're redirected back to a login screen where you have a choice of logging in or signing up as a new user. And I think that pretty much demonstrates my movie tracker app. Thank you.